Hey guys, Robin here from Photoshack. Today I'm going to be showing you a few differences between the Peak Design Capture and the Viltrox VX-10 camera clips. The Peak Design Capture requires the use of the Allen key to mount the quick release plate onto the base of your camera. You'll notice that there's a coin slot as well as an Allen key recess to mount the plate onto your camera. With the Viltrox VX-10, you'll notice there's no Allen key recess, but there's still a coin slot and also a D-ring, which means it's still pretty easy to mount onto your camera without carrying tools around. The Peak Design has a quick release button on the side, which can be rotated to lock, but unfortunately it can be a little bit fiddly. The Viltrox also has a quick release function that incorporates a high quality metal pin. The standard Peak Design doesn't come with the thread on the bottom to mount onto your tripod. The significantly more expensive version of it does though, and it also has a converter on the bottom to turn it into a 3/8 thread. The Viltrox VX-10 does come with a standard 1/4 thread. Both these clips can be mounted onto your belt, a hip bag or a shoulder bag. The back of both plates are similar, however the back of the Viltrox does have cutouts, which makes it noticeably lighter. The Viltrox VX-10 does have a larger surface area on the plate and also rubber grips. The Peak Design is a bit smaller and unfortunately feels a bit slippery. Overall, the Viltrox does have a better build quality. It is a bit larger, but it represents significantly better value for money.